to turn on stolen device protection option on your iPhone. Hello everyone, I'm Sophia from Create Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how you will be able to turn on the option of stolen device protection in your iPhone. Go ahead and open your settings. Once you are here, scroll down. You will see the option of General. Over here, tap on Software Update. To be able to use that option, we have to make sure that our iPhone is updated to latest version of 17.3. I have already updated with that version and now another update has already arrived. So once you make sure that your iPhone is updated to 17.3, go back, scroll down, you'll see the option of Face ID and passcode. Click on that. Enter your passcode and then you'll come to this page. Once you're here, scroll down and over there you will see the option of stolen device protection. Turn on protection and that's it, you have done it. But before accessing to this option, you have to make sure you have turned on the option of Find My iPhone in your device. And that's it. That's how you turn on stolen device protection. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.